In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Meet audio and video settings effectively. This will make sure you're all set for your next virtual meeting or online class without any hiccups. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this simply by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Google homepage. From there, look for Google Meet in your Google Apps, or you can directly type Google Meet into the search bar to access it quickly. Once you're on the Google Meet page, let's move on to the next step. On the upper right of your screen, you'll notice a settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the settings menu where you'll be able to configure your audio and video setup. It's crucial. Doing this in advance will save you from potential technical difficulties when you're in the middle of an important video call or virtual event. First, let's focus on the audio tab. When you click on the audio setting, you will see options related to your microphone and speaker. Here, you need to make sure that your microphone is properly set up and is the right one you intend to use, especially if you've connected any external microphones. You'll also want to check your audio output setting. Make sure it's set to the speaker or headphone you prefer. Sometimes, if you have multiple connected devices, the wrong one might be selected by default, which can cause some issues. If you're not sure how it sounds, many systems have a test option. Give it a try to ensure everything's working correctly. Once you're confident everything is in order with your audio, it's time to look at the video settings. Click on the video tab within the same settings menu. Just like with audio, here you'll want to ensure your camera is selected correctly. If you're using an external webcam rather than your computer's built-in camera, make sure that external device is selected for higher quality streaming. Check if your video preview shows up properly, and take a moment to see if the lighting and your background are to your liking. After going through both the audio and video tabs and you're satisfied that everything is set up just right, you can exit out of the settings menu. Now you're all set and ready for your Google Meet session. Having the right configurations will certainly enhance your experience, enabling clearer communication and better participation in your virtual meetings. Thank you for sticking with me through this guide. Remember, setting things up in advance is the best way to ensure smooth sailing during your important calls. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a little refresher. Happy meeting!